Hi everyone. I figured I'd come on and let you know what I've been up to. Try out some makeup. And I feel like every time I come out on here, it's a sad story. Well, everyone knows I work a full-time job. That has been busy. So for the first 2 weeks, I could not manage to make videos on the weekend. I was that tired. That's how busy we were. Third week, Monday, I have an allergic reaction. Wow, I'm allergic to carmine. I mean, I knew in makeup it bothered my eyes. If it got into my eyes would blow up. However, I didn't know they use carmine in food. My vitamin D levels are low, so I've been trying to, drink milk, eat yogurt. I had a strawberry yogurt by Yoplait. I didn't look at the ingredients because I don't know what I thought. I thought they used some different type of colorant. Well, anyways, I ate a whole, not a whole tub, but a tub like this big. My whole face blew up. You can see remnants of the puffiness that's left behind. Well, anyways, that's been something to deal with. And that took me out for another week. But I'm back. I don't know how long the videos will be. I didn't record on the weekend. I'm recording this the day prior to the video going up. And that's what happened. I mean, I can't not do my job. It pays for everything. And I didn't expect to have such a bad allergic reaction to carmine. Well, you better believe now I look at everything to see the ingredients on what they're using for the dye, for the red dye. So, other than that, I'm going to do a little bit of makeup. I'm not going to do my eyes because, as you can see, they're a little puffy still. And they haven't gone down yet. And I'm afraid because I do use cosmetics that have carmine in them. And I just don't know if they're going to be super sensitive or not. I have my little barrettes. Oh, I got a haircut. My hair is long, but it's not as long as it used to be. I had them take 6 inches off. That made me feel good. And since I'm not totally gray, I'm going to be coloring my hair. I've decided, it is still brown with just gray going through it. I haven't totally gone gray yet. So I'm going to put hair color on it. When? I don't know. My foundation today is going to be Rose Inc. You can't get this at Sephora anymore, but they have a website you can order from. This is the Skin Enhance Luminous Tinted Serum. This is in 30. Let's hope it matches me. I didn't even put any moisturizer on. I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Water Cream. Since I can't find my eye cream right now, I'm going to use this under the eye. Well, anyways, I hope everyone is okay. I did lose some people. Well, they had just joined me. And I think they saw my long form videos. And I've been releasing shorts. And I think they think that I'm not coming back. Well, I am really rusty in the makeup department. So I haven't put on makeup in months. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like when it comes out. If you see me looking this way, there's a mirror. You're supposed to. Well, maybe not. That's a good tint. I like that. I think we need some more light. I'm gonna turn on the back light. More light is better light. You could put this on with a brush. It looks like beads. That's nice to go out and run errands in. Not bad. I have Pink Pineapple Kiss from Too Faced. I'm gonna put that on. I love the way this balm looks. Plus my lips are kind of cracked. I'm trying to get them back to a nice lip where I can do all kinds of different lips. But yet they're dried. I have this NARS color corrector. Don't know what it says. In light. It's a peach. See, it looks like that. It's a brush. I'm looking for the right brush. You would think I would be prepared, but I'm not. It's fine. It's gonna be like this for a while. I'm gonna use my Spectrum KGH number 29. I've used too much. And then this concealer I've used before. It's the Sephora Best Skin Ever Glow. I like this one. It's got a serum-like quality to it. It doesn't look good. Alright, this brush picked most of it up. This is the Nikki LaRose. Let me wipe it off. Let me wipe off this brush. This is my first time using this brush. I like it. Like I said, I used too much of this NARS Radiant Creamy Color Corrector. Well, like I said, I'm not going to do my eyes with an eyeshadow. I'm going to stay off of the eyes until I figure out what's going on with them. And we need a blush. I have this blush, In the Mood, from Ilia. Looks like that. This is very sheer. So I can go right to the face with it. This brush is the Sephora 96 Pro. I like this brush. These are nice. You can just put these on. Sheer. You'll have to reapply when blushes are this sheer, unless you set them down with a powder blush. This is really sheer. Alright. Well, that's it. That's my look. Thank you for sticking around and listening to me babble. I like putting on makeup. This is what has reminded me that I like doing this. And you can expect more videos. I mean, I don't know how elaborate I can make them. Maybe I can make them better. I don't know. I just need the time to edit and do all the other stuff. Well, anyways, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Remember, hit the like button. It helps me be seen by other people. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.